bayan para antabayanan po ang laro nito pati ang championship mamaya. Samantala, narito si Ann.
Thank you, Seth. Kailangan nating mag-isip buong game. Hindi po pwedeng palagi tayong nauunahan ng kalaban saka tayo hahabol. Yan ang sinabi ni Tina Salak as the Philippine Army team recognizes how their end game was the reason why they won their previous game against Philippine Air Force. However, Salak shared that this is also what they need to work on today. Lagi silang nalalamangan at nagpapakahirap humabol. Kaya inaasahan ni Coach Rico na magiging consistent ang kanilang galaw lalo na pagdating sa reception at sa depensa. Para naman sa koponan ng Philippine Air Force, sinabi ni Coach Clarence na hindi sila dapat matakot magkamali. Kailangan nilang maging matapang at huwag magpakita ng takot sa kalaban. 7 Ivy?
Nangyayari, nagkakabaliktad, ano? Yung problema ng Air Force ng first set, napupunta ngayon sa Army. Buhay nga naman,
right,
ano?
yeah. So this time, again, communication error. Same thing din, setter at saka ano din ang nagkaroon ng miscommunication.
10-4.
Oh, that was a good set.
Hasos, Mariosep, nagkakagulon. Panik sa kabilang panig. Minadali. Yan ang trick. Laban sa Army. Bilisan mo. Yongko nailing that. It's now 11-4.
Miscommunication on the side of Philippine Army.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Bale, pwede kong sabihin uli kahit ilang beses siya. Diba? Kaibigan natin na Rexona sa conference na ito. Eh, samantala, naku, hinabol. Walang pupuntahan yung setter.
Well, that's a back row setter. So that would mean a point goes to Philippine Army.
11-5 ang bilang natin. Nagpanik, ano? Nagkagulo ng konti. Each side with moments of disarray and not knowing where to go actually. 5-11 ang bilang natin. Semana.
Oh, one-hand set.
Oo. Kamo magaling na lang talaga itong mga setter natin. Pero ito, hindi gumulong yung bola pa kabila. 2 straight points now by the Army. Now behind 6-11. Nasaan na yung magsaserve? Kala ko umuwi na sila.
Nawawala. Ang lalayo mag-serve eh.
Kala ko umuwi na eh.
Nice serve.
Balmaceda got to that. This is in. Clearly so.
Yongko with a point for Philippine Air Force.
He's playing very well, huh? 12-6 ang bilang natin. Babalik ang serve sa panig ng Air Force. Tina Salak making the signal. You know where she's going. Don't forget, Mikasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Joy Casas for the serve.
Is Tina Salak going right here? No, she goes to the middle. Balse,
off
got
the
it.
block.
Yes. Tama yan, ano? When you need points, go to your best reservoir.
Yes.
Your best scorer right away para makahabol tayo. Huwag nang patagalin. And that middle hit by Balse is something we've seen from year 1 of the Shakey's V-League. Oh,
Yongko with an excellent hit.
I have no complaints about Jim Balse, but this is my time. And she nailed that one, making it 13-7. Tusok na tusok yun.
Well, that was also a good setup there from Wendy Semana.
Absolutely. Walang question. It all starts from an excellent feed. 13-7.
Bawi lang. Also giving one of her own. Siyempre sabi niya, hindi pwedeng ikaw lang.
Tagal ko na rito. Tinukso namin minsan si Ging eh. Nung bang first year nung best player sa minsan. Andito ka na ba nung naglaro sa Lyceum? Opo. And we are so proud of her. In the meantime, Nunag tries to track it down as libero. Bautista cranks it up. Oh, yes. This is getting interesting. It's 9-13 now. As Manzano will come in for the first time. (9-13). Our MVP of the conference, Gonzaga, to serve.
Good serve.
Well-rounded game kasi si Jovelyn. Although that might be out of reach, Alarga ginawa ng paraan. Long dig! That's why you practice those things.
Caballejo.
Salak sabi niya, tapusin mo ano. Nagtagulo.
Ball is still alive. Free ball. Oh, that's four touches.
Look like the fourth touch.
Yeah,
Look like the fourth touch, actually. Tina Salak was acting like a little referee there. And it's now 10-13. Last 3 points scored by the Army. Gonzaga to serve.
Good serve.
Iba-ibang height ng serve niya, ha? Ooh!
Caballero, that takes it into the line. Siguro sabi, hindi po king mas matangkad kayo sa akin.
Pupusukan ko kayo. Ano bang po kayo ng paraan? Hindi pa kami tapos ang Air Force. Panoorin ito. Ito ginawa niya eh. Wow! Kinuha doon, ano? Sa
Yeah.
eskinita, matraffic, bumaha. Naghanap ng eskinita and then man one way. 14-10 ang bilang natin. Pinapanood niyo po ang Shaggy's B-League Battle for Third. Mamaya ng konti, championship. Smart Maynila, laban po sa Cagayan. Rising Suns. Bautista.
Nene Bautista also with a down-the-line hit.
14-11 ang ating bilang. 11-14 samantala si Balsay magsaserve. Panoorin ulit ito.
So we can see here, Tina Salak. Actually, second play na binigay niya kay Bautista. The first time around, hindi maganda ang naging atake ni Nene. Binigyan niya ulit ng isa pang pagkakataon. And she was not disappointed. And that is a service ace from King Balte.
Inside, ano?
Sakto sa linya.
Nag-float. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Air Force. Biggest lead nila was at 13-7.
Another good serve.
Tumamang pa nga silang 7-0. Eto na. Kakatok-katok sa pinto na itong Army. Time out ang Air Force. Hirap kumapit, ano? Kuminsan, hirap talaga kumapit. Makinig tayo.
Ha? Pag hindi kaya, reptas lang. Wendy, atake ka. Wendy, atake ka, papalit ako Si Rhea papasok, okay? O, yung ano natin, yung anticipation natin sa ball, dapat yung anticipate nyo, nasa inyo papunta yung ball, ma-receive niyo. Ha? Pag hindi kaya, sasalita agad kung sino. Kung noon, binitawan mo na lang bigla, hindi pwede. 50-50, malapit sa guhit, hindi ka pwede bumitaw basta-basta. Tumigil ka na sa'yo, outside di pwede. Dapat puntahan mo muna para ma-receive mo.
Air Force trying to regroup here. They've lost a sizable lead. Panoorin mo natin yung play bago tayo nag-timeout. Ano nangyari rito? Oh, ayun. Halos regalo actually. Ano ha?
So that's Nene Bautista, who is actually having a 60% success rate sa kanyang atake.
At saka she has made a difference mula nung ipasok siya rito sa second set. Rally ang ginagawa ng Army rito. 13-14. Down sila by as much as 7. Winalis. Salak. Alarca. Huli ng net. For touch.
And we can see some adjustments made sa lineup ng Air Force. Rhea de Mocolangan now inside. So para 3 atake sa harap.
Kaya pala sinabi ni Clarence Kevin, Wendy, atake ka.
Yes. So more options ngayon sila sa atake at the front line. That was a good serve from Caballero.
Jovelyn Gonzaga wala sa forma. 16-13 ang bilang natin. Second technical timeout. Magbabalik ang Shaggy's B-League.